Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. What I happen to have here on our dyno stand this morning is a 427 that's going into a 1966 Chevy Biscayne. This is an all-original engine build, date-coded, engine bolts, block, heads, intake, carburetor. Everything is in original form. We took everything from this motor and found them the proper cylinder heads for the date codes of that engine. We have original valve, original block, crank, rods, you name it. We put them a nice flat tap muscle car cam in here that's original to that car. Also, we upgraded the valve train a little bit just to put a poly lock on it instead of a lock nut. But this motor runs fantastic. The carburetor's been all rebuilt. Everything's been custom painted, original colors. And it's a fantastic motor. I think you're going to be very surprised and pleased with what you see on the dyno. Show them the numbers, Matt. Man, this thing breaks in, it's really creating some power, huh?
The 470 horsepower, peaking out about 515 foot-pounds of torque. Nice 427.
Well, how do you think of that? Here's what we got for numbers. 470 horsepower on a 425 build and 515 torque. But I will just say a little bit on behalf. These are headers where they'll get exhaust manifolds, and we have an MSD in here, other than a points-driven distributor. But again, here at Proformance Unlimited, we built one hell of an engine. Thank you.
Have a good shop dog. Oh yeah. Yes, you good boy. You good boy.
Always a great